What's up guys, in this video I will share with you 14 highest paying work at home jobs, and the best part is these are not just jobs. You can even convert them into your own business, and you can even literally scale this business to six figure, 7 figure, or even up to 8 figure. Okay, literally these are most insane businesses, insane profitable businesses. But before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. Okay, so now guys, the first business that I want to share with you is the email marketing business. Basically this business is going to be literally you can do this as a job, or you can even convert it into as a business. Basically in the email marketing, you are going to write the emails for somebody else. Maybe you can go to a Shopify store. Okay, but the best part is this guys, 90% of the Shopify stores are not doing email marketing. So if you are going to reach out to an Shopify store owner and you are going to tell him that I will be doing the email marketing, and whatever the extra profit you will earn from the email marketing, you can give 10%, 20% to me, and then you can really make a good income, because you just need to write the emails one and the money will be keep on pumping. You can add up the autoresponder and stuff like these are going to make you the literally insane amount of money, guys, insane amount. Okay, and literally it's not the kind of the very big thing issue. If you want the best training, the best email marketing training I have ever taken, then check out the link in the description. Okay, this is the best email training I have ever taken, guys. Though the training is completely step by step, and also they are going to give you 80 proven $1 million emails. Okay, so you can just fill in the blanks and that's it. You do not need to write your own emails. Okay, so now guys, the second business that I want to share with you is the lead generation. Basically in the lead generation business, what you can do, you can reach out to the business owners, or even you can reach out to any guy who is doing any kind of business, and tell him that you are going to get him clients. For example, you can tell this to a Shopify owner, that tell him that I will be sending the traffic to your website, and I will be charging this monthly and stuff like this. Okay, and you can also reach out to the local business owner and tell them I will be helping you getting the clients, and you can pay me a monthly fee. For example, a $500 check, or maybe $1,000. So these are the ways you can start generating. You can there are a lot of ways to generate the leads. You can use the Facebook ads, you can use the free method, you can help them rank on the Google, you can help them rank YouTube video, you can even help them you can do the social media marketing for them, which is completely free. So even if you do not have any skill, still you can do this business still. Okay, so now guys, if you want me to do a complete tutorial on this, let me know in the comment box and I will do that for you. Okay, so now the third business that I want to share with you is the consultation. Literally guys, this is the insane profitable business. Okay, if you have the knowledge in any business, it's not related to any kind of business. Even if you have any kind of anything expertise in, you do not even need to be an expert. For example, if you know how to drive traffic, you can reach out to the business owners, and with the help of the LinkedIn, you can easily find the business owners, and then you can reach out to them and tell them that I will be helping you in generating the traffic, I will be helping you in email marketing. For example, if you know how to do lead generation, you can do the consultation for this as well. If you know how to do email marketing, you can do the consultation for this as well. Okay, so it's very necessary to have at least some kind of skills, so that you can really provide value to others and start making money. So be sure to check the first it's not the first link, it's the second link in the description, because that is going to help you to get the best training. Okay, get the best training of the email marketing, so that you can when you are an email marketer, you can even provide the consultation services for that as well. So these are the ways. Once you have a skill, you can use it anywhere else. So now guys, the fourth is the copywriting. Basically guys, this is the best business I have ever seen. Literally guys, there is a vendor who is going to launch a product, and literally if he's a vendor, he is going to make a lot of money. Why? Just because there will be ton of affiliates. Okay, and he is also having a big email list, and also he will list the product on the marketplace like JVZoo, Warrior Plus or ClickBank. Okay, and he will also drive the sales from there. Plus, as he is a vendor, so he is also going to run the Facebook ads, Google ads and stuff like these. He is also going to drive a lot of traffic to his product. But the best part is this: you do not have any kind of headache related to the traffic. You just need to write some of the 10-20 emails and write a sales letter, okay, a sales page, and that's it guys. You are boom to make at least 5,000 US dollar at least. Okay, why? Just because guys, let's say a vendor is going to make at least $100,000, because $100,000 is not a big deal for a vendor. Okay, because if he is going to take so much headache, he's at least going to try making at least $100,000. Okay, so now guys, if he is only copywriting generally charge higher price, but even if you are only going to ask for 5% or even the least amount, you can charge a fixed amount of at least $4,000-5,000. So still you are making $5,000. That's insane guys, that's insane. And also if you want to learn the copywriting for free from a guy who has sold over $200 million online, then check out the third link in the description. That the Anik Singhal, who is a really great copywriter, he is going to host a free webinar where you can check out this free training, and it is really going to provide you a lot of value guys, a lot of value. So now guys, the fifth job that I can share with you is the social media marketing. Basically guys, it's the social media influencer. In this way, what you can do, you can either work for somebody, if he's a social media influencer, for example Dan Lok, you can do something like you can manage his social media accounts. You can post on daily basis there, you can run ads for them, you can even start you can do a lot of things, or you can even create your own page and start selling products on that basis. So these are the things. This is very easy model, and once you will be having some kind of the power in the market, you can really make a lot of money. Really guys, it really works very well. Okay, and the sixth is the print on demand. Basically guys, in the print on demand, we are going to drive the we are going to print the t-shirts or maybe mobile cases and things like these. Okay, so thereafter we are going to sell them on the Facebook with the free traffic, on the Instagram, or maybe we are going to run the Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or maybe YouTube ads. But once you have gotten one viral design, you can really start pumping in the cash. You have the license to just printing money. Okay, and if you want to know how to create the viral designs, check out the free YouTube video. The link is in the description, and that is really going to help you a lot. Okay, and the seventh job that I can share with you is the freelancing. Basically, there are two ways you can do freelancing. One thing, you can reach out to the Fiverr.com and start providing the gigs over there. This is also one way of making money with freelancing. Okay, and other thing you can do, you can reach out to the business owners and tell them that I will be doing the work for you, and I will do the 20%. I will do the work for 20% less price than the market. Okay, and thereafter you can start getting the work on daily basis. Then you can set up a team, they will do the work for you, and you will be just keep on sitting and just printing the money. That's what this business is really going to help you. And even if it's a job, you can start making money with this business. Okay, so the eighth job that I can share with you is the SMMA. It's basically kind of the social media marketing. What you can do in this, you can literally reach out to the other influencers and tell them that you can easily you are going to grow their page. You are going to grow their page from 10,000 to 20,000 followers. Okay, if you have any kind of skill like this, let's say if you know how to do the social media marketing, how to grow their account, how to sell a product, then you can literally hop into this. And you can literally guys, it's going to be super easy, and it does not require a lot of effort. Okay, it just needs kind of simple task like basic selling product, basic skill of selling product, and kind of running the growing his account with the help of the Facebook ads or maybe with the YouTube ads. And these are the things you can share it to another platform. So these are the things guys. So SMMA, people are really making 7-figure with SMMA. Okay, and literally it does not require even a single penny from your pocket. So the ninth thing that I can share with you is the affiliate marketing. Basically, in the affiliate marketing, you are going to promote other people's product for a commission. It can be 10%, 20%, 30%, and the best part is this, guys. The best part is this: it is going to up to 75% or even sometimes 100%. And the best part is this: there is a time when the affiliate marketing become passive. It becomes the organic with the time, because now you have an email list. You can just simply start sending email, and you will be cashing in the profit. And on the left side, what you can do, you can take some of the profit in your pocket for your spending, and the rest of the profit you can invest into the ads and can make a lot more money. So this is one of the insane business that people are doing. Okay, and at a point when you have done a lot of with the affiliate marketing, you can really scale it up to 7-figure, 8-figure. No, I don't think it's about 8-figure, but when you are going too fast, you can start creating your own products. On that time, you can literally scale it up to 8-figure as well. Okay, so the 10th job that I can share with you is ebook. What you can do, guys, in this, you can create the ebook for other kind of other people like bloggers. You can reach out to the bloggers and tell them that you are going to create an ebook for them. Okay, and thereafter you can just create the ebook for them, and you can charge them money for kind of the 10% less or 20% less than the market. So they are going to give you orders in bulk. Okay, and the one of the thing you can do, you can even place a gig on the Fiverr and start creating the ebook there as well. And also you can create the ebook for yourself, and you can list them on the other kind of the ebook submission sites like Amazon Kindle, Script, and there are many websites, and then you can start collecting the profits from there as well. So the 11th thing that I want to share with you is the courses. Literally, guys, this is one of the also called as digital publishing, and also people are making 8-figure with this. Anik Singhal has made over $200 million just with digital he has made about $150 million just with this, guys, just with this. Basically, in the digital publishing, in the courses, you do not have a cost again and again. Once you have created the courses will be with you lifetime, and affiliate marketers are going to promote the courses for lifetime. So you will be keep on generating the profit in the back end for whole of the lifetime. Okay, and the best part is this: you can promote once you have an email list. You can send the email to your list, and you can cash in the profit. But once you have created the course, the whole of the back-end stuff will be passive. Okay, so the 12th you can take this as job or business, whatever. Drop shipping. Basically, either you can do the drop shipping for other. They are going to create a store, and they are going to pay you a monthly fee to manage the store. And on the other hand, you can create a drop shipping store for yourself, and then you can start selling the product, driving traffic to it, doing every work yourself. And on the other hand, if you want to do it as job, you can get a job under somebody and tell him that I will be listing the product, I will be placing order, and I will be doing the description writing, I will be managing all these things. So this is one of the things you can do. And the 13th business that I can share with you is that I think that it has been posted twice. I'm sorry, guys. And the last thing that I can share with you is the blogging. Basically, with the blogging, you can really make a ton of profit. Just because, guys, blogging is a lot of people say blogging is dead. No, yeah, maybe in the future it will, but it's not now. Either you can reach out to the bloggers and tell them that you are going to create you are going to write articles for them. And this is also one way you can treat it as a job. And on the other hand, you can start creating the blogs for yourself. You can drive the traffic to them, and ultimately you can then start selling products, and that is the way you are going to make money. And now, guys, the last job or business I can share with you is kind of the last is the kind of like it's the Facebook ad agency. Okay, basically the Facebook ad agency is not what a lot of people are aware. But really, guys, it can really provide you a really good income. Okay, how? Because in the Facebook ad agency, you are going to reach out to the local business owners, or maybe any business owner in the world, anywhere. You can visit their website and tell them you are going to create the ad for you. You are going to create the ad for them, and in return, they are going to get the clients. What you can do, you can simply place a pixel on their website and can run the retarget on their website. you can run the retarget ads on for their website. And that's it guys. If you want me to do a tutorial on this as well, let me know in the comment box and I will do this for you. And people are really making $500 or even $1,000 per client. It really works guys. Just start taking action, and if you want to build a successful business of at least $100 per day, then check out the link in the description, the first link, because there I will be giving you the complete free training on how to make at least $100 per day. So I will see you in the training, and bye bye, tata for now.